Inside ClickUp, you'll go ahead and create a new dashboard or add a widget to a current dashboard. So to add a widget, click the option. Some of these will not be available depending on whether you're using the free or paid version of ClickUp. Down here at the bottom, there is an embedded option. Select that and click Custom Embed. So it's going to give you the option to embed URL or embed HTML. Pause here and go open Google Analytics. Under customization and custom reports, you're going to get an option to go into Data Studio, and that's where you want to go. And depending on what analytics you want to see on your dashboard, you can select them here. It will open up Data Studio and you can modify your report. Then once you're happy with what it looks like and how the layout is, select Share. The down arrow, Embed Report. You can select Embedded Code, Embedded URL. And stick with the code, copy to clipboard, and we're going to go back over to ClickUp. We're going to go down to HTML because that is what I copied, and Control-V, paste it into this option here, and then add widget. There it is. Sometimes it takes a minute to pull up that first time. And just like any widget inside the dashboard, you can expand the view or shrink the view and add multiple widgets. So keep in mind that the more of these like embedded widgets that you add, the longer the page may take to load. Hope this was helpful.